Are you dreaming of becoming a real estate investor but feel held back by one thing, a lack of money? What if I told you that you don't need a huge bank account to get started? In fact, you can begin investing in real estate with little to no money at all. Curious? Stick around, because this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking for a creative way to jumpstart your real estate journey, this is for you. Welcome to the Stoic Investor. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies and actionable steps you can take to start investing in real estate without any upfront cash. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan to turn your real estate dreams into reality. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding real estate investing. What is real estate investing? Buying, renting, flipping, or wholesaling properties to generate income. Mention how real estate is one of the most stable and lucrative investments over time. Why no money? Highlight that not everyone has access to large sums of money, but creativity and strategy can overcome this hurdle. 2. Strategies to start investing with no money. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is one of the simplest ways to break into real estate with no money. Here's how it works. You find a property, get it under contract, and then sell that contract to an interested buyer for a fee. It's all about finding great deals and connecting with the right people. Provide examples of how to find deals online marketplaces, driving for dollars, etc. Tools needed: a phone, internet, and negotiation skills. House hacking. House hacking is a fantastic way to live for free and start building equity. The concept is simple. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Discuss low down payment loan programs like FA loans. Explain how you can get one with as little as 3.5% down. Partnering with investors. If you don't have money, find someone who does. Offer your skills, time, and effort in exchange for financial backing. You could find deals, manage properties, or handle renovations while your partner provides the funds. Share tips for networking at real estate meetups and online forums. Seller financing. In seller financing, the property owner becomes your lender. Instead of going through a bank, you agree on terms directly with the seller. This can be a win-win situation for both parties. Share examples of how to negotiate these deals. Rent-to-own agreements. With a rent-to-own agreement, you're essentially renting a property with the option to buy it later. This allows you to build equity while still paying rent. Explain how to identify motivated sellers open to these agreements. 3. Building your knowledge and network. Educate yourself. Recommend free resources like YouTube channels, podcasts, and blogs. Suggest books such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller. Join communities. Highlight the importance of networking through local meetups, real estate forums, and social media groups. Emphasize building relationships with mentors, agents, and other investors. Use online tools. Mention platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and BiggerPockets to find deals and connect with others. 4. Overcoming challenges. Investing with no money isn't always easy, but it's absolutely possible. You'll face challenges like skepticism from sellers, finding the right deals, and learning as you go. But remember, persistence and creativity are your greatest assets. Recap key strategies: wholesaling, house hacking, partnering, seller financing, and rent-to-own agreements. Encourage viewers to take the first step today, whether it's researching, networking, or contacting potential partners. So, are you ready to turn your no-money real estate dreams into a thriving reality? Start small, think big, and take consistent action. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more actionable tips, and let us know in the comments how you plan to start your journey.